still hurt the woman you were, and you haven't turned into someone who could never love me again. 'Cause you never broke my heart, no, you fixed it and now it works, but only enough for just to suffer that hurt. Whoa, what can I say to convince you to slip back into my arms again? I won't do you no harm again. Let me tell you that I'm sorry and that I'm just a little bit crazy about you, just a little bit out of my mind, just a little insane without you. Please come back and be just a little bit mine, just a little bit mine. I never thought, and if I did I forgot, what blacked out in love. The what Sunday started would have come to an end, but now I'm hung over and hung out to dry, and I'm giving it time. Does not knowing the truth to turn my words into lies. Whoa, what can I say to convince you or do to make you agree with me? I don't need you to be with me, just try to remember what you see in me. I'm just a little bit crazy about you, just a little bit out of my mind, just a little insane without you. Please come back and be just a little bit mine. Oh, just a little bit mine. I'll be here singing till my heart beats, I slip back into that rhythm again. Whether it is or it isn't the end, who cares? God knows that I could use a friend. I'm just a little bit crazy about you, just a little bit out of my mind, just a little insane without you. Please come back and be just a little. I'm just a little bit crazy about you, just a little bit out of my mind, just a little insane without you. Please come back and be just a little bit mine. Whoa, yeah, just a little bit mine.
Fuck this.